Introducing Figma to Bubble Converter, a Figma plugin and Chrome extension that we've released. Get your token from the landing page or your account on bubble.io. Add the Figma plugin to your project and paste in your token. Select any element or frame, and the plugin will estimate how well it will convert to Bubble. To make it more accurate, tell the plugin more about what type of element you have selected. Once done, you will see your converted Figma elements. Be sure to name them properly in Figma so you can recognize them easily. Then simply go to a Bubble editor, open the Chrome extension, and log in. Copy the converted element and paste it onto the canvas. Figma to Bubble Converter out now. Check it out.